Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Discover Apps with me. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your TikTok account public. First of all, you have to open your TikTok app. You can see that my TikTok app is opened. And now the first thing you have to do is to click on the profile icon at the bottom. There you can see your username or your TikTok name. Now you can see the three line at the top. You have to click on it and click on the settings and privacy. On the second option you can see privacy. Click on it. On the very first you can see private account. If this option is on, it means your TikTok account is private. Only users you approve can follow you and watch your videos. If your private account option is on, you have to simple uncheck it and click on the switch icon. There you can see your TikTok account is public and anyone can follow you or anyone can see your videos or your templates. I hope you can understand my explanation. If you have any question about this or about TikTok app or any issues you are facing, please mention in the comments. And don't forget to like my videos and subscribe the channel. Thanks you. Thank you.